How to be successful Java developer in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to Programming Hub. Today, we are going to talk about the roadmap to become a successful Java developer in 2024. Whether you are a beginner or looking to advance your skills, this roadmap has got you covered. Let's dive in. Introduction. Java has been one of the most popular programming languages for decades. It's known for its versatility, scalability, and robustness, making it a top choice for developers around the world. But how do you become a successful Java developer in 2024? In this video, we'll cover everything from the basics to advanced topics, tools, and best practices you need to master. And if you're someone who's serious about mastering Java, check out our comprehensive course on Java Essentials. I've added the link in the description box below. Let me highlight top 5 principles that you need to adhere to understand Java. Number 1. Learn the fundamentals. The first step in your Java journey is to learn the fundamentals. This includes understanding the basic syntax and structure of Java. Start with data types, variables, conditions, and loops. These are building blocks of any program. Next, focus on functions and methods, which allow you to write reusable code. Don't forget to practice working with web APIs, as it's crucial for real-world applications. Number 2. Object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a core concept in Java. You'll need to understand classes, objects, which are the foundation of OOP. Learn about interfaces and abstract classes to create flexible and scalable code. Master these 4 pillars of object-oriented programming: inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. These concepts will help you design robust and maintainable applications. Number 3. Practice data structures and algorithms. Now, this is applicable to any software engineering. Practice data structures and algorithms. They are essential for efficient coding. Start with basic data structures like arrays, lists, sets, and maps. Move on to more complex structures like queues and linked lists. Number 4 in my highlight is web framework. Web frameworks simplify the process of building web applications. Spring and Spring Boot, widely used for creating robust and scalable web applications, are using Java. Even Spark is a very popular choice. Learn the basics of these frameworks, how to use them, and create simple projects to get hands-on experience. Number 5, and even the last point, will be database connectivity and security. Your users' personal data security is a top priority in software development. Just imagine any social media that leaks your personal information. You would be hating it, right? Learning about common security vulnerabilities and how to protect your applications against them is important. Implement secure coding practices. Use security frameworks like Spring Security to safeguard your applications. Understanding these best practices will help you build secure and reliable software. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a successful Java developer in 2024 involves mastering a wide range of skills, from the fundamentals to the advanced topics and best practices. Focus on continuous learning and stay updated with the latest trends in the Java ecosystem. By following this roadmap, you will be well equipped to tackle any challenges and build robust, scalable applications. And remember, if you're looking for a comprehensive and structured learning path, check out our Java course on Programming Hub. The link is in the description box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights from Programming Hub. Happy coding!